Tonight, people, let me tell you. I'm going to a party, right? I'm dancing. Girl shaking, boom, 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 boom. Hey, hey, hey. I'm shaking, right? So listen, listen, listen. I'm tell you the story. My girlfriend tell me she go to sleep. She said, oh, baby, I'm going to sleep. I'm tired, you know. I'm say, okay, baby. She said, what you gonna do? I said, maybe I'm going to party tonight. She said, with who? I said, my friend, you know, little thing, nothing big. So I go to the party, you know. Everybody there, boom, 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 boom. Okay, a girl came on over to me. She said, oh, you wanna dance? I said, I'm sorry, I got girlfriend. I cannot. She said, if your girlfriend not here, what she don't know, not gonna hack her. So, you know, I said, oof, whoosh. So, you know, the girl start dance with me, you know, compa came in, so I'm trying to dance. Before I'm touch the girl hand, my girlfriend came in. She said, yep. I said, oh, Lord. I said, baby, oh, what you doing here? She said, oh, what I'm doing here? I told you 14 feet, boy. So I'm saying, baby, it's in my coaches. We dance. She said, the only person you're gonna dance with is me. I said, oh, I thought you said you go to bed to sleep. She said, if my man out, I'm out too. I said, shut. I said, damn, I can't do nothing. If I go to the bathroom, you going to? She said, of course. I said, shoot. I said, well, baby, let's go dance. Maybe that's it. So, okay, guys, don't go nowhere and not tell your girlfriend. I don't know how she find me, man. She probably got GPS on my phone or something. But I'm going out tonight. She not gonna know nothing. Baby, what you doing here? For sure.